Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to download HBO Max episodes offline. In 2026, downloading episodes on the Max, formerly known as HBO Max, application allows you to watch content offline on supported mobile devices. This feature requires an ad-free subscription tier. The basic with ad plan does not support offline downloads. Now, to download any episode, all you have to do is go ahead and install the HBO application, then open it. Now, once you open your HBO application, go ahead and search for your content. Now, once you search for your content, go ahead and tap on the download icon or the downward arrow on the details page. Now, for a series, scroll down to the episode list and tap the icon next to each specific episodes you want. Now, once you do so, you should be able to enjoy content even when you're offline in HBO Max. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.